Hey everybody, Norm Johnson here from Enchanted Fibers, where our mission is to bring life to luxury fibers. So, give you an update here. I'm going to start a new scarf. I took some dyed silk, more kind of a mochaccino color, and then I added some yarn on the top of that. Now I'm covering it with some black alpaca. Fill in some of these lighter spots and things as we go. I'll put some more yarn over it. Then I'll reach in. So here's the color of the silk that I started with, and I don't know. I may put some pieces. I have some purples, have some greens. That green may go if I tone it down. Maybe tone it down a little bit with a little darker green and things. So I have a few options to cover over the top when we're done. But the goal is to just kind of have a lightweight scarf, drapable scarf, a little bit of texture, and a little bit of colors to go in it. So anyway, stay tuned. Life is great here. The downside. Hey guys, Norm Johnson here from Enchanted Fibers, and our mission is to bring life to luxury fibers. So I was on earlier, and you saw the gold and the yarn, the black alpaca. So then I've added some different colors. I got some purple and some blues. I had that bright yellow green piece in there. I've got some teal silk. I've got some purple silk and some blue silk. And then I've added some viscose over the top of that, just to kind of break up the colors a little bit. Put the gold on there to kind of tie to the other side. I'm going to get my tub of water cleaned up and some new soap added to it, and we'll drown the heck out of this, and we'll actually let it set, which letting it set means I got to go do my chores, but that's all right. We'll get those done and out of the way, then we'll come back and felt this after, given that the fiber should have absorbed most of the water. And then we'll start some felting, some rolling, some more felting, some more rolling, and we'll try and get this done today. It won't be dry, but we'll get it going through. So this concept is called a French scarf, something I saw on the internet. So we're just trying it, see how it works. But we finished the French scarf that we were working on. So here's the side that had the marginal silk. You can see that yellow and the purples and things. So, and then if we turn it over, we have the other side, which was more of a solid color silk to start with. You can see we had the viscose that we added. You can see some of the yarn that was through here. Yes, shouldn't talk and video at the same time, but the black, I think the black came out a little bolder than I wanted it to, but some of that I think is just me felting too much. But again, you can see some of the yarns putting things in here. So should be fun to wear. We'll make another one, maybe using some white alpaca in the middle, and see how that comes out.